I finished my function generator, and I wanted to give you a report, kind of give you a thumbnail sketch of how it works. And it works, and it works, and it works. I mean, it was really pretty cool. I turned the power on, and I didn't have problem one with it. It went on right away and worked 100%. Function generator generates signals that you can use in testing. I'm building this in particular so I can test radios and motors. Right now I have it on, and I have it set up to a sine wave. And on my oscilloscope I got it coming in on the Y input, and you can see it's a sine wave. I can change the period of the wave. See how it's increasing and decreasing? And I can change the amplitude of the wave. So you can use these to inject these signals into different things. If I change the frequency, the coarse frequency from, like, it's on 10K right now, put it on 100, it goes up, 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 and all the way down low. So in other words, it's a very useful tool for the engineer and technician. If I change that from a sine wave to a triangular wave, see how it changed to a triangular wave. The different waves have different effects for RC time constants. A useful type of wave that we use in digital electronics is the square wave, because it's made out of pure DC. If I put the probe in the middle, then I can generate a square wave. And see, that's what that is right there. Again, I can change the frequency with the coarse and the so in other words, this is a real useful tool for people that are testing. In the case of the motor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the calibration of the scope, which is at 1 kilohertz, and I'll set this up to a calibrated 1 kilohertz, and then I'll be able to bandwidth it down and test for Lajoyas figures and comparisons on my X and Y input, and help me determine one method of determining the frequency of the motor. I got a bunch of little motors coming in, and I'm going to be testing them all the same way. I'm going to use the oscilloscope to test the frequency and the period. I'm going to use the function generator, and I'm also going to use a photodiode with that micro electronic computer that I showed you earlier. Anyhow, that's about it. This turned out really, really well. It's completely battery operated, and I'm going to use this a lot. It's a great sidekick to the oscilloscope. Bill Rader, sign it off! Get yourself a critter, guys, and think pleasant thoughts. Talk at you later, guys.